Good day, everyone. Welcome back to www.healthequalbeauty.com. Today's spotlight will be on our African black soap. So if you don't know what it is or how to use it, stay tuned and we'll tell you all about it. This soap is a 100% pure and natural plant-based soap, known for its usage to treat acne scars, eczema, rashes, and sensitive skin care issues. If you are looking for a soap bar, you will want to try this one. Ours starts with a 4-ounce bar, and this is sure to last you for a full 30 days or more, depending on how you use it. With this soap, it is very easy to crumble so that you can actually make a liquid soap version for yourself if you need to. This will extend your soap life and allow you to use it way more frequently than if you use this bar. Because African black soap is so versatile, there is no need to allow any of it to go to waste. You can use the small pieces, again, to make a liquid black soap, and you can use it as your dandruff shampoo, or you can use it as a scalp cleanser. Black soap originates in Africa and is made with dried plantain skin ash or dried cocoa pod ash with unrefined, natural, organic shea butter. Here you can see that we are taking the small bits of pieces and we are putting them in our reserve bucket that we use to create our own liquid versions of the African black soap. You can do this too by making your own special facial soaps, especially for those who have extreme acne and eczema. Those small pieces can be put into a bottle and you can make your own liquid facial soap that you could use maybe 1 to 3 times per week for a great treatment against your acne. At this point, we are actually wrapping up a couple of bars that are getting ready to go out to you so that you can continue with your natural skincare routine. And we hope that our African black soap continues to bring you clean and clear skin that you can be proud of. So if you're looking to try a safe, non-toxic, all-natural way to cleanse your skin, your scalp, your hair, or even your babies, your teens, or your children, then just head on over to www.healthequalbeauty.com and purchase a bar today. We are sure you will be truly satisfied. Again, www.healthequalbeauty.com.